And if you can check, I'm running into a profit of 3,000. Actually, we hit our TP2. We are running into a profit of 8,000 USD. I closed it quickly before made some huge loss. Let me show you. Now watch this. While getting stopped out, the trade was looking so nice. Like, I can't blame the strategy. I can't blame anything. By the time you're watching this video, meanwhile, I'm in Nairobi, and Nairobi right now, it is so cold. That's what I can say. So in this video, what you're gonna watch all the trades that have been taking me with my community, for the whole of this week. So these are some of the videos that I'm going to be dropping from weekly, maybe every Friday or Saturday. I'm going to be recording most of my trades that I'm going to be taking with my community. You understand? So meanwhile, sit down. Maybe if you're not in, if you're in a hurry, maybe you're having something to do. It's a boring video. I don't think you would stay on this video. So it needs someone who is maybe starting to trade, someone who wants to know the psychology behind trading. And if you really want to know how pro traders trade, and if you have never seen losing 10,000 USD, 5,000 USD, or making 30,000 USD, 15K, 10K in just one trade, maybe you're not ready for this video. So sit down. I'm going to start from, on Monday. Was it on Monday where I lost 5,000 USD, and Tuesday where almost I closed 15K, but trade went in 8,000 USD and came back at break even, and later on proceeded to take profit. So you're going to watch how I handle my losses and how I manage my trades and how I keep my emotions in control. That is the best thing. I mean, this could be the best video you'll ever watch on this YouTube. All right, with that being said, let's get started. Hey, what's up? And today I think I'm going to take my first loss. It's been a week minus trading, and guess what? I'm running into a loss of 2,700 right there. You see? And this is the first signal that I gave, and it is very simple if I can show you right there. So this is 1H. You can see we are having quite a very nice resistance at this level right there. Right at let me show you from this. You can see right here, I'm having this strong resistance, and on a 4H, let me show you. You can see this is a very strong point, right? From this point right there. So I'm expecting this market today to push from here and give us some good profits. But you can see it is pushing up non-stop. Meanwhile, I'm risking, I'm expecting if this trade hits the take profit, I'm going to get something like 15K, around the 15, 16K. But right now, since I'm in negative, I'm going to lose only 5K USD. Let me show you. I'm running into a loss of 3K, and this is live account, guys. 3K, boom. Today it is Tuesday. First trade of the week. Let's see how everything goes, guys. I think if I'm gonna talk about something while I'm in this trade, it's like this. Mostly you need to trust your analysis. That is number one. Another thing, you need to keep in control of your trade. You don't need to be driven by losses or something like that. You understand? Gold is pushing. You can see 3,200. Like, it's pushing. And I gave this to the community, actually, the analysis and everything. So meanwhile, everyone is watching. More than 15K guys. More than 15 members, 15K members watching trading live. This is our first trade. No risk, no reward most of the time. Like 4H looks interesting. Like it looks so nice. And to be honest, I don't know why this trade would stop me out. Because 4H looks so nice. That's what I can say. So nice. All right, guys. I think we are getting stopped out. Check. All right. You gonna watch this while getting stopped out? The trade was looking so nice. Like I can't blame the strategy. I can't blame anything. These are some of the trades that we take, and these are some of the bad days, which the only thing right now you should do while you're in a trade like this is just to chill. Chill. It was nice trade, nice everything. And guess what? It can hit the take profit. No worry about that. Someone would think, what should I do about this trade, or what should I close, or should I do something like that? The answer is you can't do nothing. You understand? For example, if you have seen, we have been in a loss of 4K, and right now we are back into a loss of 2,600, 2,700, around that. You see? Nothing. I can decide to close and take halfway, because you can see the halfway it is 2,500. But guess what? This is not what my system, like if I can close this, then will I run? Maybe stop taking entries or whatever it is? No. If this trade goes into a profit, maybe give me like 1K, 2K, should I close? Why would I close? Simply because I saw negative 4K, 4,000 USD. At the same time, the account is on risk. I risk the whole account, you understand? Personally, I don't want to disclose the amount of figure I'm trading. That's why I normally do that. I risk right now 5,000 USD per trade, and I can't display my big account or this and this trading from this account or whatever it is. Simply because I do this for security reasons. You understand? Yeah, for security reasons. Even though I have security, I don't have a much. I may be having money which needs a lot of security. You understand? So that's why I like showing only the amount of money that I'm risking. We are back at 3,000 USD. Amazing. You understand? So I hope you learn how the trading work and the psychology behind this, because this is something no one can show you this on camera and everything. And I'm going to show you the whole trades of the week. And yeah, that's it. The outcome, how to be patient and wait for your trade. And yeah, that is the most important thing why I'm doing these videos. You understand? All right, guys. So this is the trade. Sell. I gave it with the community, and I lost 5K right there. Oh, shit. Wow, 5K right there. See that. All right. Meanwhile, we try again. I think I'm gonna get a new entry. If we get an opportunity, it's gonna be amazing. If we miss, all right, we shall chill. At the end of the day, it's part of the game. We're gonna bounce back wherever it is, as long as we keep our trade and trade management, risk management, of course, at point. You understand? That is the most important thing. All right, we lost 5K. Maybe we might get another opportunity which can give us almost like 15K, wherever it is, so that we can recover. But this was the first trade of the week, guys. Tuesday. Tomorrow it's Wednesday. Yeah, my guys have a community right here. Yeah. It's a bad day. Check. It's a bad day. My guys made some losses today. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. See you while we are taking another trade. The last one, I want to show you my TradeZilla, the platform I use for journaling. Actually, I didn't get, it's not like they paid me to advertise them or something like that. I just want to show you, like, I feel like it makes everything easy. Check. So you can see we have been standing at something like this is 53, but I was up, 23. I was up like 29, 30K for a month. Last week it wasn't easy. Last week we closed with a negative 2K, but you can see it is the week where we have closed the smallest loss, you can see. And today we didn't trade on Monday right here, and Tuesday we made a loss. Wherever it is, we still have some more hours on the chart. We may recover, or we may recover another day wherever it is, or we may make another loss wherever the market brings. We shall go with that. So you can see I'm standing at negative 5K for the week. You have seen that? Yeah. I think there is no this is to show how transparent I am. You understand? Yeah, I really do this to show you my entries, my everything, the man I'm risking maybe, and the man I'm putting on a risk. You understand? So this is the first loss of the week. Let's see tomorrow maybe, but I'm gonna make sure I keep you update of every trade that I'm gonna be taking. That is the most important thing I'm gonna do. Yeah. Yes, morning, guys. Hope everyone is well. So it's a beautiful morning. I just woken up right now. I think looking at the chart, I've already made analysis, and I'm looking at taking my first trade maybe in a few minutes from now, based on the market. Let me show you the charts how it is looking, so that you can understand what I'm looking at. I'm remaining with something like 1 minute, of course. All right, let me show you something. First of all, you will see. Let me show you where. This is 1H. Well, you can see this is a support area right here. I'm looking at taking my first trade right at this point. Yeah, so the alarm that you saw, it is the timer that you're seeing. It is the timer that is giving me, I don't know if you have heard those previous words, but the timer you have seen on my iPad is the timer just to remind me that here it is time for entry. Same risk, nothing like hesitating or doing something like that. But it will depend. I would like to see this 1H getting rejected, for example. I would want to see this 1H rejecting that strong support area. All right, in a few, let me first tell my guys. I have executed my next trade right there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm running into a negative of 500 USD right there. So let me first give my guys the stop loss and the take profit that where I'm expecting the market to bounce, right? All right, you can see I'm in the profit of 500 right now. But let me first give the stop loss and everything. I have my second phone which I'm using right now. All right, first put this right here. Is it? So let me show you something how I'm doing this. You can see this is our very nice support right there, where I'm taking my first trade of the day. Remember yesterday we missed a loss. So these points right here, these are take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. And we have a way how we manage these trades. You're gonna see how I'm managing these trades. Don't mind about this line right here. And yeah, it is what it is. So that's how the trade it is still fresh. Remember, there's nothing like hesitating. We are taking the same risk every day. We are managing our risks very well and the trade very well. It will depend how everything is going to come out, but we have done our job. That is the most important thing. So right now I'm setting the take profits and the TPs. Even though I deposit the amount of money I'm risking on that particular setup, I have to set a stop loss because sometimes I catch early entries, whereby when I catch a very early, if I catch a strong entry, which is like I'll call it early entries, then most of the time I deduct the amount of money, let's say, so that I don't lose a lot. You will understand with time, by the time if you really watching this. Yeah. Okay. We are back into negative, so I'm gonna give you an update later. I think how the trade is gonna be. All right, so right here, you can see that this is our entry right there, and this is a live account, guys. So quite transparent, it is the same account that I'm using to trade. And you can see right now we are still running. I used 11.75 lots right there. Meanwhile, I haven't updated. I will lose 5,500 if I hit stop loss right there. But I think I will take some times and let me set take profit right now as you be watching. See my take profit, it is 3%, guys. I'm going to close 3% in case if it goes against me, of course. I will lose 5. I will lose 5k or 5.5k around there. Yes, setting a take profit, put on a risk. So it is morning and I haven't even went to the gym. So I'm preparing even myself to go to the gym. And yeah, it is what it is, but the trade is quite hard. Negative, so nothing much. What I can disclose right now, I can't disclose the figure, but it's a big deal. So, with that being said, I'm gonna take with you along the journey, and in this journey, while I'm going to my meetings, I'm going to talk to a person who is maybe who is feeling trading is not for him. Maybe you have lost hope, or you're thinking about giving up. So, with that being said, let's go. All right, so based on the entry that we took, currently it is running in small profits. I would say small, but these profits they may sound like big to someone, simply because, but according to how much money we have put on a risk, this is of course a small profits. But we are targeting something bigger than this. We are running in 2,200 right now in profits, and it is the same account right now. See, 2,000, 2,500 right there. 2,600, 500. Yeah, that is the update. I'm still watching some of the video that I made recently about trading. So sometimes I myself, I get sometimes and I watch these videos and yeah. I watch myself and reflect what I'm talking about. All right, guys, I think we are approaching our take profit one. And if you can check, I'm running into a profit of 3,300. Let's see, 3,300, and we are remaining with just few pips to hit our take profit one, right? Yeah, which is amazing. 3,600. We're approaching take profit one. Check. Boom. 3,600. Yeah, which means I'm gonna update them that we hit our take profit one. Yeah, we hit it actually. You can see 3,000, 700, 800 around that, which means I'm gonna deduct something like 2,750. You understand? I'm gonna deduct 2,750, which means if this trade manage to come back, I will lose only half of the money that I've put on a risk. And to do this, it's not like you can do it on every strategy. Yeah, which means if I'm able to do this, which means I have went through a lot of data to say that when a trade go maybe 25% of my movement, let's say the movement I'm targeting, when it comes back, I may lose the full. Normally when, let's say that trade, if it bounce back right now, it is likely to go straight to that stop loss. You understand? So most of the time when it makes a pullback at that point, it normally plays around the minus, even going halfway of my stop loss. Yeah, I've seen it so many times. So it doesn't mean if you see me doing this, you can also do it on your system or something like that, unless if I teach you how this is done. You understand? So that is it. And right now the pullback is happening. You can see we are back at 3,500 right now. Let me deduct my let me extend my stop loss or deduct the fine amount. Two things: I can deduct, or I can just add just the stop loss. So for me in that scenario, I don't want to add just the stop loss. Instead, I will go to HNS, which is the broker I'm using. Then once I go there, I will deduct 2,750 USD so that I can shift the stop loss to, because the stop loss, the reason why I do this, news can happen, anything can happen, right now, news can happen from anywhere, and boom. And when the news happens, mostly glitches can happen too. Like, I just want to be safe, but it doesn't mean that it's not good also to shift the stop loss. But I find out that this is a safer way to do this, you understand? But even though this trade has, knocked 3,000, 4,000 USD, it doesn't mean it is a win trade. We count it as a win if it goes and hit the take profit, you understand? And me and you, we are watching, managing this trade. Already we have started managing. Right now we have only 0.5% on a risk, which is 2,750. And you can see it is, of course, our live account. I've updated the community. Now here is the good thing about this community. Right now, all the person, everyone, wherever took this trade, he's not gonna lose final amount of money he has put on a risk. So meanwhile, I'm gonna put, let's say I'm gonna put my SL, let's say new SL. New SL, it is 3372.68. Boom. You can see this is a new SL. I've given them new SL, which means I'm not gonna lose. I'm not gonna lose anything right now. I'm not gonna lose anything on this trade. I think I'm gonna lose only 0.5%, and that one gives me another reason. Let's say it gives me another leverage. Let's say I be rich in capital, I can execute in another trade without hesitation. If this trade goes halfway, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, which means I shall not mind about if we hit a take profit, we don't hit, whatever it is, whatever happens, we shall just watch. You understand? So I'm having a Discord, and that Discord, if you join my Telegram community, if you'll find this Discord link inside. Then the reason why I created this Discord is because we are having a lot of members chatting. Let's say if you're not feeling like confident about your entries and everything, you can join this community. You know, they share entries and everything. Even you yourself, you can share your entries wherever it is so that you can feel confident about your entries. All right, guys, I'm preparing to upload a new video right now so that I can go for gym. Meanwhile, this trade it is pulling back right now. I'm in profit of 3K. We are coming at 2K, which means I'm not gonna marry this trade or keep on watching on it. Wherever it is, I need to go to gym so that the day it can be productive. And see you while I'm giving another update, right? All right. All right, guys. So I think Reina wanted to give you update, and the update I'm gonna give you is that let me show you something. We are running. We are running into a profit of 5,000 USD right now. See? And you see that? Actually, we were about to run into a profit of 6,000 USD, right? See? That's it. 5,400 right there. See? So 5,400. Meanwhile, we are already halfway. Let's say we are already into 1% of what we risked, right? But there is a problem. I'm expecting this trade to end up me losing 0.5% or break even. And I'll give you a scenario. So 4H candlestick opened the way I didn't like, or like if you can see, this is for our time frame, and you will find that this candle, which is the 4H, it opened, went straight up. Meanwhile, it didn't make a loss. So there is a possibility of this candle, let's say the way you can see it, opened, make a high, boom, come back, make a low, and close. Yeah. This trade being opening, let's say if this candle opens like the way it is, even though I'm in a profit right now, 6,000 USD right there, you see? 6K. I deducted half of the money that I have put on a risk, right? And I shifted my stop loss right there, if you can see it. So this shows that all my guys are in profits, and I'm gonna let them know about this so that someone can close while when he's happy. But I was still making analysis, like you can see this candle opened, instead of making a low, boom, went high, which means there is a possibility of this candle to see, open, make a high, then come make a low and close. And my stop loss is this one right here, which is this small line right here. So unless I would love it if it had opened, made a low, then boom, go for high. That would definitely feel okay. But right now, there's a high possibility of this trade ending up into a negative 0.5 or negative or break even. You understand? So if I come on 1H, same thing. 1H, same thing. You can see there's no low at that candle. And this brings me, let's say it gives me something. It tells me like anytime this trade, it may bounce back to make a low. Rather, either continue, but I'm expecting a pushback. You understand? And normally you can see it is going to hit my take profit too, where I normally move my stop loss to break even. Meanwhile, if I leave it free, we shall see what happens. But the daily, I really like the daily simply because you can see we are going up aggressively. If you can see this move right here. So I like the daily, the fact that you can see it opened, made a low. It can possibly come to make a high and close. You understand? So that is the scenario. Actually, we hit our TP2. We are running into a profit of 8,000 USD. Boom. Take profit 2 has been hit, which means I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. And let me go on 1H. You can see they touched it. If they touched our take profit 2, meanwhile my trade is right now okay to move at break even. So you can see that I told you whatever that I'm expecting to happen. Good enough. Let me update my community that take profit 2 has been hit. See? Meanwhile, I'm gonna set my trade free. I'm gonna now in this scenario, what I do, I transfer all the funds from my from the account which I'm risking right now to my big account where I'm deducting. Meanwhile, this trade it may be having it's gonna be having a balance of $45 where there is 2,745. I'm gonna remain there with $45. Meanwhile, the trade is gonna be free. If it comes back, I'm losing nothing. But I told you I'm running into a 7K right now. You can see it's live account right there. But based on how long we shall be holding the trade, this is at least, I told you earlier, when the trade hit a take profit 1, 2, that's when I be like, yeah, at least I have nothing on a risk. You understand? Which is amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you an update. Whoever who is watching, I hope you learn to be patient, and another thing, to accept the results coming from the trade. Someone might be like, oh, I'm closing, this is 7K. 7K can change someone's life. Like, you can buy actually a car, your first car. You can do a lot from this 7K or 8K, I mean. But guess what? Once you take the risk, you should be ready to take control of everything. You understand? Yeah, like we don't need to hold the losses and cut the wins. That won't help. And that's it. All right, guys, see you in another episode. I shall give you an update, but right now I'm gonna eat breakfast and go for a gym. I thought I wouldn't record. Actually, this came too early. I couldn't. I thought it's gonna happen maybe later, but the update came too early. All right, see you. Hey, what's up, guys? So as I told you, I've been having breakfast. See, amazing. I don't know if you can see me well. I'm too humble today. I don't know why my face looks so humble, but it seems because it is a morning. I haven't went to gym, and I even entered a trade. So this trading can make you feel cold, man. What are you talking about? So currently, as I told you, the market reversed. It is reversing on a high speed. You remember I was in a profit of 8,000 USD, right? So you can see I'm in profit of 5,200 around there. Meanwhile, we reversed 3K gone. Should we close? No. Should we wait? Yes. Should we keep on watching the trades 24/7 to see if we can bank 15K in one day, right? Probably we have a lot of things to do. So I'm gonna go to the gym, guys. This trade, meanwhile, I won't carry my camera to the gym simply because I want to focus. In my previous video, you saw that I had to shoot the entire day in a live and everything. So I went with the camera in the gym. So when I go there, mostly people be wondering, they want, I have a big camera, right? Back I have like 3 cameras. So a lot of people, they like shooting themselves, so it's kind of distracting most of the time. Meanwhile, I'm gonna give you update while we are back, whether it is a break even or a take profit. But right now, the loss, we are not recording losses right now. Right now we are running 5,000 to margin 4K, 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 which means we are down 4,000 USD, guys. But it is what it is. See you while I'm giving another update. And I hope we hit the take profit. Boom. If we hit the take profit, maybe I'm gonna do some giveaway. You know, guys, I do always giveaway. You understand? So mostly when I make some big profits, it's when I be like, okay, this $500, let me give away like to 5 people, whatever it is. But I don't do that because of anything. I do that just because I want. I know some money mean a lot to people's life, so that's it is what it is. That is an update. Let me go, guys. I hope you keep up watching, because if you don't watch the entire video, you won't really understand what trading is. Because a lot of people could be panicking. Oh, I need to close. I need to do this. I need, oh, whatever it is. So yesterday lost 5,000 USD, and boom, today it is another morning. And if you convert that to your local currency, you will find that I lost like 20 million Uganda shillings, or maybe I lost something like half a million Kenyan shillings. Wherever the country you are, like it's not small money. Even I've seen some big traders still they're closing 5K as a profit, 6K, wherever it is. So I should be proud of that. Like, yeah. I am from just Uganda. I went to another country. I'm living there comfortably, know nothing, and at the same time, I can close like big figure. I can see like 8,000 USD floating in profit, and I still just leave it simply because that's not what I want. It's either zero down, break even, or some big profit. That's how it is. No risk, no money. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Uh, right now I'm from gym, and it has been amazing session. And guess what? Exactly what I communicated to you about the 4H candlestick and the 1H candlestick. It's what happened. And guess what? All right, we lost 8,000 USD, not like in loss, but you guys remember we have been in 8,000 USD profit. You can see we got stopped out at break even with a profit of 196 USD. Of course, we don't count that. That is fuel, I would say. But yeah, we made a deposit again right there. You can see we are having a fresh account right now, which means we didn't take any loss. But at the same time, we didn't take any profits. So let me take you to the chart so that you can see everything. So you can see right at this point, we entered our position with this candle, and boom, we hit our take profit one around there, and boom, 1H candle, it is, you remember guys telling you about 4H and 1H candle being, you can see this was it this one? Yeah, it didn't have a wick, and I expected this wick to be created. You see, even a 4H candle, you remember telling you that it's a bad, it was a good entry, but the timing of this candle opening minus leaving any wick down, I expected, of course, if you remember, I expected, as it was up to come down, make a low, and boom, go up. So you can see it's that thing which has been created, and we got stopped out good at break even. So you will ask, maybe I'm feeling tired, I'm from gym, it was I was doing back today. So let me make this a short clip as possible. So I know you're asking yourself, like, am I feeling bad about it or something? The answer is no. This is how it was to be. Good enough, I told you I have lost nothing on the table, and I'm ready to catch another trade. Same risk that I was using, it's the same risk I'm going to put on another trade. I'm seeing some sales which are going to come into the market based on my market analysis right now, and I will see if we can take, let me show you this entry. Man, I'm feeling tired, even tiredness looks on my face. All right, you can see we are having this leg rider, ahead rider, we came down. So I was trying to cut this buy to this leg up here. That's where my stop loss was. And yeah, right now I think the market is heading there. So I'm expecting, some kind of I'm expecting market to respect this level and drop again to this level down right there. So meanwhile, I'm looking at if I get some good candles or an entry on a lower time frame, I might enter right at that point and take the whole of this. Maybe I take 1 to 3, I go again with 5,500 risk to take home something like 16k. You understand? Yeah, it is what it is. Let me go refresh myself. I've given you an update. I'll give you an update while I'm taking another entry. Yeah, let me first keep this straight. And if I'm gonna go into my journal, of course, every trade I'm taking, it is being recorded automatically by this platform. You understand? Let me show you. I'm refreshing right here. No execution was found. Let me do like this. You can see this is a break-even trade. This is the loss which I took yesterday on Tuesday. Today it is Wednesday. Tomorrow it is Thursday. Probably I'm gonna stop trading on Thursday tomorrow. If today I get another entry, it's gonna be nice. If I don't, I will see tomorrow. But you can see we are still standing at 5.1 K in L. All right, guys, I told you I'm gonna be transparent with everything. And yeah, because I take this entry, you have seen me banging 30k and 30k a week, 20k a week, 27k a week, life-changing money. Like if you can make 27k a week, you can buy yourself a Mercedes to say 200, whatever it is. So that is I'm giving you example how crazy money is just a number sometimes. You understand? So here I'm not trading money as money, I'm seeing money as numbers, because if I was seeing money as money, I would have closed 8,000 USD. But guess what? I've seen more than that, and that doesn't support my system. I've been trading this for a very long time. I'm a person who hasn't been sharing results and everything or stuff like that one on YouTube or any social media. Could post crazy screenshots, like every day people post those screenshots, and you can't know whether it is real account or is making real money or whatever it is. If this is your first time to watch someone who in real market, I guess you may start, I think, believing in yourself or not doubting about trading. Maybe you have been doing something wrong, and you'll be like, now this time around it's time to go all in. You understand? And of course you need to watch this up to the end of the video, because there's nothing hiding. I didn't hide anything. I'm trying to show you everything. And no one, it's not like some people do this in form of more keeping the discipline. When people be watching you and you follow your plan and whatever, you be like, if I post my losses, people gonna say no. No, I've been losing, bro. I've been losing 17k a week, 20k. You understand? I've been also making money where I can make like 30k, 20k. I can't even show you that. You understand? So you can see, right? See that? Losing, just in one day, losing 15k, right there. You see? But also in 1 week, making 27, 30, 28, 17. You understand? Closing the month with 84 right there. You see? So also I have seen some bad month. Like this was a bad month, but we ended up in a profit of 17k. Understand? And you can see 12k, 5k, 2k, 21k, 15k. So days like that happen. So I'm not doing this for motivation, whatever it is. All right, so you can see how the trade it could be looking right now. You understand? So this is the trade. It came right here. We got stopped out at break even. Boom! It is waiting to take profit right there. You see that momentum. How do you know how it feels? Let's say when now you're in a trade and it is just going to take profit at that high speed. All another scenario is, do you know how bad you could feel? I know you guys, you do feel bad about trades like this. Yeah, it's not like I'm feeling good, but I have nothing to do about it because I don't have control beyond this. Me, what I understand is execution. When a trade reach at a certain level, set my break even wherever it is, then wait for another thing to happen. You understand? So you find someone, you be like, why did you set this? And or someone start telling you, you know, there is imbalance somewhere, liquidity sweep, wherever it is. Man, and you start, if you hear you just talking stuff like those ones, man, I just look at you, it's like these people that I normally see in the comment section. You post about something, they be like, oh, this is not a trader, he's an influencer, this is not a live account, it's a real account, it's a demo account. Now me, let's say I have made 15k, 16k, all I have made 5k loss, and a comment like that drops. What do you think I should do about that? Like, that comment is too small to me, too small, because even that loss, it can change someone's life. You understand? So why would I just talk to a random person which I found just in the comment section arguing about her? If you feel like you can do better, just find your entry, make money, make more money. Whether you're making $1 million or $1 trillion, just do it, man. You understand? All right, but if you're on this video, I know you're here just to learn, and I can't do anything because of the hype, or this one said this, then I check it out, man. Those are just young boys games. That's what I can say. All right, see you while we are taking another entry. I'm seeing it is coming to my zone on 1H. Maybe I may take an entry. If I take it, it's okay. Yeah, but this is a weekly. I think this, by the time you watch this, meanwhile, it has already gone. Whereby this is a weekly video. Let's say what happens in the week. I haven't made any money. I've just actually, am I in negative? Let me check. For the week, I feel like I'm in negative of 1%, which is 5k. Less than 1%, 0.95999, around there, across 1%. If we get one trade, boom. But my guys in the community, they made money because most of them, they close at TP2, which is 1 to 2R risk reward. You understand? So crazy. See you in another video. Yes, hey guys. So I'm done with. All right, my sound was off. I don't know. It is connected. Yeah, it is connected right now. So you can see I'm trying to, you know, to my body's trying to come out nicely. Like mostly, I don't want to be this giant guys, but I just want to have, you know, a shape on my body. But man, ooh, is this me or something? And so yes, guys. So if I can check the charts right now, 1H, 4H. Boom, you can see that our zone, the market is approaching our zone, the one I told you earlier that we may take a trade from that point. Actually, I had set a timer. The timer is rolling right now. You see how many timers I set a day, a week? Mostly, there are very many. So, meanwhile, I'm gonna go for a haircut. My hair is looking bad. I don't know if we go together, if I record the journey and everything, it's gonna be nice. All right, guys. So I'm gonna say, see you right now. The problem, I'm gonna wait for this 30 minutes candle to close. Is it? Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, 4 minutes. Let me show you. 4 minutes. This candle to close right here, which is the 1 hour candle. So meanwhile, in these 4 minutes, I'm expecting for it to come at this zone. So the next one, it should become bearish. See you in another update. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going for a haircut right now. If you can check, the market is quite playing. The market is playing. It doesn't want to touch my zone, and right now, going for a haircut. Then after that, what should I do? I'll eat lunch. So I'm gonna go with you guys. I'm gonna take with you. Then we go for a haircut, man. Yeah. Actually, you're gonna watch only 5% of the things that I do in life. You can see I went to the gym. You didn't see that. I might go for swimming. I'm going for a haircut. You may not see that because I can't film the place where I do my hair from. Because if I do that, security wise, I'd be not safe. So and we should be safe everywhere. We are, and sometimes we crazy how we be like. Behaving like everyday people, and when you go outside, a lot of people know you as if you're a celebrity or something like that. Then I think that reminds you also on the security you're having, so that you can be safe wherever you are. All right, see you. Bye bye. All right, guys, let me show you this. Boom, the beast is right there. Let's open. See that? Wow. All right, so let's get inside the GLE. Bugs right there. Let me do like this. I know you guys, you can't see me right now, but because I'm in, this is not even the basement, man. Alright, guys, so you can see right now, heading to the gate right there. Let's go. Today I'm expecting some crazy profit. I don't know how the day is gonna close, but I'm seeing some good opportunities coming. These guys, why are they not opening? Like, I'm seeing some opportunities in the market, like compared to last week. Last week it was too slow, and I didn't get enough entries. Hey, thank you. I didn't get enough entries, so wait, okay. I was processing where I cut my hair from. uh, Alright, guys, so trading is so boring. Imagine I woke up, you guys, you were watching, and after I went for um, gym, I executed a trade. Trade went into 8,000 USD, and we got stopped out at break even. I went for gym, then from gym, I came, refreshed myself, and guess what? I'm going for a haircut right now. Yeah? Like, even when you see myself, like, it's not like I should do a haircut. Like, I'm not that too bad. Like, I just cut this haircut in Malaysia a few days while I was on my trip. But I feel like I need to do something. Maybe go cut the hair, pass the supermarket and buy maybe a yogurt as the lunch is getting done at home. Like, crazy. So you can see how trading is fucking boring, like nothing. You can see the road right there. Alright, guys, I need to drive well, so meanwhile, what the fuck? That guy just comes in the. He didn't come right, isn't it?
Straight away, I saw him just
The guy just enters the road like nothing, as if he bought it, man. Now you see how sometimes you can go crazy, sometimes we go mad, we can talk about those stuff, you understand? So if you think I'm a holy man, no. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm done with a haircut. You can see I'm looking fresh, guys. Very well. You see, I'm fresh, bro. Even if you say I'm not fresh, me I say I'm fresh, bro. I say that. So let's move right now. I see the market has, it went up, but it didn't tap in ours. It didn't tap in our zone, and it went down. Currently, if I can check, I can see this 1H zone. If you can see it right now, I want to go for a buy, but this is too expensive to buy. You understand? I shall try to keep calm and wait for a right entry, maybe. All right, which means right now, let me drive. You can see I'm just here. Let me drive back home. I eat lunch, then as I'm waiting, I have no tight program, guys. This time around, I've been on a vacation for some good time, 3 weeks. Being in trading from a different country, everything is different, man. It's crazy. So, which means it's time to lock in mostly. All right, guys. So I think there is an update about the trades that we took last time, and the charts were started going to my direction after getting stopped out at break even. Right now, I'm from haircut right now. As I told you, I'm looking fresh, right? I would like to like something like even though the trade went up wherever it is, it couldn't hit the TP. Actually, the trade reversed back. Let me see. So you can see right here, this was my take profit right there. Let me show you. This was my take profit at that level, and I was looking. Sorry, oh, right. Yeah, I think you can see very well. So you can see I was looking at taking my first take profit maybe at this level, because I was expecting some kind of a reversal at this point right there. And something which happened, you can see the trade pulled back, and right now I'm not expecting it to go at this level again right now, unless if it should come at these levels of supports, so that it can come at this so that you can sell it. So that is the analysis right now. Simply because if you can take a look, even though if you be like, oh, the trade went but didn't hit the take profit right there. That's why most of the time I be calm. Mostly when the trade go against me, when the trade comes back, there should be a reason. There is always a reason why the trade bounced back, or the trade came back at break even wherever it is. You understand? Most of the time, there's a reason. So yeah, it is what it is. Maybe New York session is why I'm expecting a bit of volume, wherever. For the month, we are standing in a very positive results, but for the week, let me see last week. Last week we didn't make money, we lost 2,000 USD. We didn't make money. So this week, yeah, we are still standing there, but for the month, we are sitting at 24K around there. But it is what it is. Let's wait and see, man. We don't count the money we have made. We count the money which we haven't made. We need to make some good money. You understand? So this is the last week of the month. But at the same time, I'm not surprised. Guys, August is called a ghost month. August, to move out of August with a positive results, man, you be a man. August is a slow month. If it was any other month, man, we would have got an entry. Gold would be up or down entry. But this month, it has been slow, as in slow. All right, guys. See you in another episode. Yo, morning. Currently, the time is it is 10. Let me check. Today it is Thursday, and I don't know if you can see the time. Yeah, 10. 10:02. Will I post this video because I just woke it up right now, and guys, yesterday I couldn't manage to take in a trade. Just that there's a trade which happened. Uh, there's a trade which happened, and I closed it quickly before made some huge loss. Let me show you. Right, you can see. I entered a trade at around this resistance area around there, but around this zone, putting my stop loss above right there, and my take profit was promised it was around there. So this trade I pulled out before it was, because the stop loss that I was using, it was too big, and it had given me some good entry, which made me, you can see it made me these stop out. These are the stop out 150. This is a withdraw, don't worry. But these 300 USD around there, so it wasn't a nice entry. Currently there's nothing that I'm waiting. The market is a bit, so there's nothing moving on. You can see yesterday I was expecting market to come at this zone so that we can sell, you remember, while I was doing analysis around here. But guess what, I didn't get nice criteria to enter for these sales, because if I would have got less an entry, it would have went up to these levels down here, and I didn't get an entry. Based on the price action, I knew the price may not continue that much to go down. So today I might skip him actually. I think I might do some, I'm going to go through the charts analysis. There are other pair that I'm gonna be watching. Then after that I shall see the market how it goes. We haven't made money this week, and we are standing on a loss of 5k. Not bad. That's 1%, which means we shall see how everything goes. Yeah, I believe for the last week, this month has been slow. Last week I made a loss of 0.5%. This week I'm down 1%, but if we manage to get like one trade, I believe we can make this money back. We can make some even more money out of this market. All right, guys, it's a chill. Let me prepare myself and start the day. All right, actually, I started the day with you. Today is Thursday. Let's see how everything goes. All right, guys, so I think the day officially has started. I think if I take you through the analysis that I'm looking at, my level hasn't changed right now, and currently I have a video which I'm preparing. It might be out right now, but guess what, this video right here, this do trend line mostly, it might be helpful to you, and when you go into your strategy, you may see something that you can maybe change in your strategy wherever it is. So that's it, and I'm gonna see you while we are taking maybe a trade. Today it is Thursday. I'm not expecting any trade because all my point of interest are very far right now, you understand. That's how everything goes, guys, and see you while we are taking maybe a trade or closing the week in negative 1%. See you. Hi, what's up, guys? So today I think I've went wherever I've went to do my stuff and everything. So I got done and I came back on chat right now. Nothing has done yet. I can see, if you can check on gold right now, you will see. I don't know if you can see my screen very well. So we are in an uptrend, and gold is trying to, to go up as possible. You can see it broke this level right there, And based on the analysis right here, I'm expecting some kind of a push to that level, something like that. But at the same time, you don't know. Something can be created, let's say like a heavy candlestick to this zone right there, and boom, maybe we can get another one to complete the cycle. Yeah, it is what it is. So right now we are just chilling, nothing much going on, and all right, next week on Monday it's gonna be September, which means we're gonna start a new month. So I'm gonna make sure also to record all the trades that I'm gonna be taking for that month, plus the profits that we have generated for that month. That's it. So next week it's a new month. Today is the last day of trading. What a slow month it has been. Slow month, man. No money was made. Yes, guys. So which light can I use? Oh my god. Which one? Wait. Hey guys, I think you can see me. Let me try to see. Oh my god. All right, guys. Today I didn't take any entry. I was waiting for this. How can I call this lever to get triggered right there so that I can go for a sell? And guess what? Boom! I didn't take the sales, and yeah. I didn't take the sale simply because I wasn't triggered. But I still have some more time. This is the last day of trading this month. So meanwhile, let's wait and see. Maybe I shall, whatever it is, maybe I shall make some money. Probably. Let me see. The month has been slow. Now imagine if you can see right here, I'm standing at. Oh, my mic. Let me first put on my mic right here. Imagine if I was imagine if you make a loss right there and you close the month below 15, below 20k, right? It has been a very tough month, if you can see. Meanwhile, today it is the last day of trading. If I lose today, I shall close the month at something 18k. But if I make a win, man, it's gonna be very nice. I may close the month in something like how many? Something like 30k, 30 plus. Imagine one win, you understand? So it is what it is. All I need is just to be patient. And yeah, crazy how the week I just took only two trades, one trade actually, and the month has been slow. I hope you see how sometimes being profitable, it doesn't need you should take trades after trades and all of those stuff. All right, guys, so let me close this. Just in case if I don't take any trade, I shall remind you also and let you know the money I make this month. You already seen the money I made this month, the losses I made this week. I'm receiving a call. Let me pick it up. Yes, hello? Hey, good morning. Today it is Saturday, guys. Today it is Friday. All right. So today it is Friday. Today I'm not tapping any trade. Don't expect any trade from me. Meanwhile, I'm done trading for the week. I lost 5,000 USD this week, which means we closed the month with a profit of 23,000, 23k, around 24. So it is what it is. I hope you learn from this. If you would like to see videos like this, me recording entire trades that I have taken for the whole week, whatever it is, let me know. Comment down so that you can learn maybe the entry took everything. You understand? So see you. I hope you subscribe and bye bye.